I've had friends say to me, crypto, isn't that just for tech bros and rich people? Getting the average person beyond the indecipherable hype of blockchain, tokens, and ICOs is often a difficult task. People need to be exposed to real-world applications that are based on concepts that they already understand before they will be open to the ideas that make decentralization so exciting, fun, and revolutionary. That was my main motivation for creating BikeDeed. BikeDeed is a decentralized proof of ownership application which is based on the ERC 721 non-fungible token standard. The BikeDeed concept is simple. Smart contracts allow users to control ownership of a bike through its entire life cycle, from the factory to the local bike shop to the individual owner and to the second and third owners. BikeDeed allows people, through the use of smart contracts and embossed QR codes, to prove they own a bike. BikeDeed also allows people to register ownership of existing bikes, transfer that ownership to someone else, and delete bikes from the blockchain when it reaches end of life. Let me demonstrate the simplicity of BikeDeed. First, I open the app. Then I click on Scan a Bike. Then I click on the QR code icon. Then I scan the QR code of the bicycle. And I'm presented with proof of ownership of the bike. It's that simple. In this section, I'm going to show you how to use the main search page of the BikeDeed app. First, you go to bikedeed.io, and as the page loads, you can see the bikes coming in from the blockchain. Up here, you have a searching mechanism. If you begin typing, you'll see that the searches, the displayed values are whatever's in the search box. And if I click on any of these, let's click on this, you'll see that I am shown the bike details. In this case, it shows you a manufacturer. The manufacturer is Specialized. The serial number is here. The owner address is here. And the proof of ownership document, which contains an image of the serial number and the bike itself. The link to the IPFS document that is stored in IPFS, and the date that this was created. If I click on one of the bikes that has an asterisk in front of it, you can see that this is slightly different. It says that it's my bike details. This is a bike that I own. It's got a manufacturer, a serial number, the owner address, which is mine, the proof of ownership document with the serial number and the photo of the bike, the IPFS link, and below that we have the date created, and we have the transfer to address. This gives us the ability to transfer this deed to another owner, and we also have the ability to delete this bike deed. Section, I'm going to show you how to add an existing bike to the blockchain. So from the main page, you click on the Add a Bike menu item, which takes you to a registration page. Which queries you to select the manufacturer. I'm going to select a Firenze bike, and then it asks you to key in the serial number. And then I'm asked to choose and upload a proof of ownership file. So I'm going to go here and I'm going to open a file. And then I'm asked to upload this file to IPFS. And now it looks like it's been uploaded to IPFS, so now I'm presented with an URL. I'm going to click on that URL just to make sure that the file is actually there, and sure enough it's there. And now I'm going to register the bike. I'm presented with a dialog, confirmation dialog. It's got the bike details, the serial number, the manufacturer, the owner address, which is my address, the proof of ownership document that I uploaded, and a link to that, and then a confirm registration button. I'm going to confirm the registration. And now I go to MetaMask, and I'm going to edit the gas fee so that I'm going to raise it from 2 gwei to 5 gwei to make sure that this transaction goes through quickly. And I'm going to click Save. And I'm going to confirm. And so now we wait for the transaction to go through. And now when we go back to the home page, we can see the new bike has been registered on the blockchain. I'm going to show you how to transfer ownership of a bike from one person to another. I will click on a bike that I own, and as you can see down here I have the ability to transfer, so I'm going to select the address of the owner who I would like to transfer this to. And that is the address of the new owner of the bike. And I click Transfer Bike Deed. And again, I go to MetaMask. I'm going to edit this transaction. I'm going to raise it to 5 gwei to make sure that it goes through. I am going to save this, and I'm going to confirm. And there we go. Congratulations, your bike has been transferred to the new address. And if I reload the main page, we can see that this bike no longer belongs to me. In this section, I'm going to show you how to delete a bicycle from the blockchain. I find a bicycle that I own, and I go down to the bottom and I find the Delete Bike Deed button. I go to MetaMask. Once again, I edit the gas limit because I want this to go fast. And I save that, and I click Confirm. And this is the part that takes some patience. And we're shown the congratulations, your bike has been deleted.